Yo, what's going on? Mic check 1 2. Hold up. Yo, what's going on, YouTube land? You know what I mean? All my YouTubian opportunists out there. This is gonna be my first in a series of videos. Maybe not a series. I don't know. This is gonna be my first unboxing video. So I got the. Well, let me grab the box. Fresh from Amazon. Real unboxing. None of them fake unboxings where I didn't even introduce myself. Hey, I'm Blizzy or Blue, whatever area you know me from. Blizzy Boy Gaming. You already know what time it is, man. So, we got a laptop, man. We got the fucking Razer thing. Razer Ryzen, I don't know. Boom, fresh unboxing, man. Fresh unboxing. And then boom, we got the package right here. Boom. Intel box. We can get rid of this now. Boom. Let's dig into this thing, man. You already know. Boom. We got the motherfucking Intel box. You already know what's going on. I'd like to preface this video by saying I don't know nothing about computers and shit like that. All I know is I needed another computer because my shit started running super slow, and I bought it like 8 years ago. So, you know what I mean? We went ahead and just copped the Razer 15, I believe. And let's get into this unboxing, man. All right. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Is this box upside down? Oh. This here is a what looks like the charger, power adapter shit. I like the first of all, I like the packaging and shit. I like how the goddamn packaging is like super like shockproof. This is a heavy thing. It's a heavy boy right there. So that power adapter is pretty heavy. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out, and it looks like we got another box. Boom, another box. This feels very high-end and heavy. That's one thing I'm realizing. So let's move this off the desk. All right, boom, we back. We got everything out of the box. I want to go ahead and say this is not about to be no technical analysis. We're not comparing shit to no other shit. I'm just a motherfucker who needed a new computer for his editing. You know what I mean? I'm a videographer, I'm a rapper, I'm a motherfucking gamer, all kind of shit. So I need some shit that's gonna be able to handle all those needs. And I read a whole bunch of shit, and I heard that this was the way to go. So, designed and engineered by Razer in California, all rights reserved. We got the box. That looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie. That looks amazing. Let's go ahead and open this joint up. Ooh wee, hold up. Hold up. That don't look that bad, man. That doesn't look that bad, man. So we got the box, shit like that. Go green with Razer. Razer's commitment to sustainability. We believe in giving gamers the unfair advantage that blah, blah, blah. That's cool. It's biodegradable and shit. That's cool, my nigga. You know what I mean? I'm glad that that's like that. You know what I mean? All right. And then, boom. So fresh out the plastic, fresh out the box, you can see. Let's just put this box to the side real fast. Fresh out the box, you can see, it just feels good, man. It's heavy, it's metal. It feels good, man. Bam-a-lam. And then, ooh, this shit. I'm not gonna lie, this shit here. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. RTX GeForce. THX audio, HDMI interface. All right, it's an i7. You know what I mean? And yeah, so that's pretty much the unboxing, man. Just came in today. And everything you guys will see on this channel and everything you guys will see on the rest of my channels, make sure you click the link below and see all my other channels and shit like that. I'm going through construction right now, but this is a good step in the right direction. You know what I mean? As an artist who's a self-sustainable artist, I need something that's gonna be a workhorse, a powerhouse, You know what I mean? And I need to be able to do the things that I need to do. So, you know, yeah, we got it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. Like I said, I'm not a spec guy. I'm not a tech guy. I don't know nothing about computers and shit like that. I just, you know, I talked to some good computer niggas and shit like that, and they're like, hey, this is the way to go. You know what I mean? And I just said, fuck it. Let's go ahead and do it. So, shouts out everybody who fucks with me. This was an unboxing video. First unboxing video of all time. And yeah, man. Let's turn this bad boy on. Holla.